Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Juniors Language Club at English with Arifa Miss. I'm Sadika from Chattogram. So friends, do you know what is pronominal adjective? Let's learn. কোনো pronoun যখন নাউনের পূর্বে বসে অ্যাডজেক্টিভের কাজ করে তখন তাকে pronominal adjective বলে। For example, this is his star. This boy is brilliant. And do you know how many types of pronominal adjective? There are 4 types of pronominal adjective. Demonstrative pronominal adjective, interrogative pronominal adjective, distributive pronominal adjective, and possessive pronominal adjective. And what is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative pronoun is the adjective here. Means যে pronoun adjective এর কাজ করে তখন তাকে demonstrative adjective বলে। For example, this book is Rohim's. That's all for today. Bye bye.